Hello, this is Nick with Affordable iStore. Today I'm going to show you how to view your battery health on your iPhone. If your iPhone is struggling to stay charged throughout the workday, this may be a great way to determine whether or not you need a new battery. So, to begin, go ahead and pull out your iPhone. If you're watching this on your phone, take some notes down so that you can repeat these steps later. Find the settings icon on your home screen. This is a small gear icon that is gray and black in color. Open the application by tapping on it. Once you're inside your settings menu, scroll down until you see the battery icon. Tap on the battery icon to view your battery settings. From here, you'll want to look at the battery health number. If you see that number is lower than 85%, you need a new one. Please be careful to not confuse this with the battery percentage that is at the top of your phone screen. That is the remaining charge and not the overall health of your battery on your iPhone. One of the easiest and quickest ways to get a new battery is to stop by our store on 4106 Lake Michigan Drive. One of our technicians will greet you when you stop in, and we can either replace the battery right there in about an hour, or we can schedule out another time that works best for you. Typically, most batteries are stocked and ready to go, but availability may differ. We recommend that you call our store before dropping in at 616-929-2316 for your convenience. Please use the coupon code listed below in the comments or in the email copy here to receive $5 off of your battery replacement today. We hope to see you soon, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.